So with this new T-site, we have every possibility in the world to bring customers, to bring clients, to bring trainees, to bring everyone who wants to learn something about our products, to bring them here and introduce them to our products and let them work with them with their own hands.
So as a student at the University of Southern Denmark, it is great to get experience at a global company that brings about technological innovation, and it is great to have the T-site to get hands-on experience with these solutions.
A T-site like this is just amazing. I mean, you've got an opportunity to play with new products and new releases, and especially us from the selling markets, it's quite valuable just to be on the site and actually play with the instruments and learn it before we sell them into our markets, where we can actually benefit our customers as well and just give them the full potential and the full benefit of the new products.
It's valuable for us as representatives for Leica Geosystems, but also for our customers. The opportunity in the future to bring customers up to Odense would be totally valuable for any of our clients. Being able to hands-on use the equipment, talk to the product managers, talk to the engineers, talk to the developers one-on-one is a life-changing experience for any business.
First of all, we'll be very, very proud to show our new facilities here. The OEMs has similar facilities, but what we can show here also we are a trusted, valued partner with a very high quality level which is needed for OEMs.
So from a business perspective, we are now able to work a bit better also and getting customers in. So that means that we will have a perfect site for testing, and of course the facilities we're standing in right now is also part of that. You have an auditorium, this is exactly the room we're in. And below this room we also have work quarters to be able to do testing properly and in and out quickly, in and out from the T-site. When it comes to the OEMs, we will of course have a much clearer way of also do testing and auditorium sittings and trainings. And I think it's a better way to work together with them. And then we have also a training opportunity. That means that all of our internal people will go on training here as well, and also our channel partners will go on training here, as well as our direct channel will go on training here. So what we more or less have created here and reinvented in a sense is that we have a complete new site that is fulfilling all of our business needs for Leica machine control.